With me is Savio Cotino. He has been a former MMC chairperson of Margao. Sorry. With me is Savio Cotino. He is a former chairperson of the Margao municipality. But now he is more into social activism, and one of his issues is about the related to municipality itself, but regarding its drains and all, where a complaint has been taken up by the Lokayukta. Savio, welcome. And could you give us a detail about what happened today, the latest, the status? You all had a case today, a hearing.
Right. This is with regard to the suo motu cognizance that Lokayukta has taken on the basis of a report which appeared in Navin Times on the 28th of April. Today was the third hearing, in fact, and even after 2 months from the time the notices were served to the DMA as well as the municipality and all, till now they have not finalized their lawyers to represent them, nor has any report been filed before the Lokayukta. At today's hearing, Chief Officer's lawyer filed Wakalatnama for himself, for Chief Officer, and has said that he will file the Wakalatnama of the chairperson at the subsequent date, that is on 4th August. Whereas the government representative, not a lawyer, officer of the Director of Municipal Administration came and sought more time since the government has not yet appointed an advocate to represent them in this case. So the next hearing is slated for 4th of August.
Yeah. Now, what does this say, Savio? What does this say about the intent of the government? Because ultimately you were trying to save the government's and the people's money ultimately. Could you give us details of what the case was about, and also what you feel about this?
Yeah. No, basically now the way things are going on, the way the things are being delayed, it looks like it is being done on purpose. But that is the reason on 30th of June, we made another plea before the Lokayukta that whatever costs that are involved by way of defending this case. See, basically somebody is creating a fraud by trying to misappropriate my tax money. And when a case is going on, I have to spend again to defend him, defend his fraud. So this is something absurd, like sort of. So that's why we have made a plea that the costs incurred towards defending this fraud should be borne by the perpetrators of this fraud, the people involved in this fraud. It may be officials, it may be councillors. Because why should taxpayers' money again be paid for this fraud? And if such thing comes, probably they will rush up with the case and try to finish it earlier.
Could you give us details about the case per se? What exactly, how did it exactly reach it?
On 16th of April, during the lockdown period, Margao Municipal Council issued a e-tender notice for inviting contractors to apply for 64 different works, out of which around 51 works were in the 25 wards of Margao Municipal Council. And we had observed that through our sources within the council itself, that many of these works were already existing, and we had got some feedback on that. So based on that feedback and based on the notice that was published, we went around, and our preliminary visits itself, we got many works which were already existing, but they have listed them in the tender as if they have to be done, and in lakhs of rupees. Roads that already had hot mix carpet were proposed to be provided full grout. Another road similarly, full grout was already provided by different agency, but that also figured in the list. So also several drains, existing drains, they were shown as if they had to be repaired, even though they were in excellent condition. So all these type of things were going on. So we filed a complaint before the municipality as well as the DMA, and this was reported in the newspapers. And based on that, the Honorable Lokayukta took suo motu cognizance, and that is how this matter has landed in the before the Lokayukta. The total cost towards all these tenders were around 4 crores. Around 7 to 8 works were connected with the baling of dry plastic. So that we have said like we have no issue since that is the need of the hour. So we have agreed that even if those work orders were given, we had no issue because there were not those are genuine works. But the other works which already existed and figured in the tender list were 100% fraudulent, and that is the reason we were demanding for an inquiry. And we are fortunate in that Lok Ayukt has taken this because last 4 years we have been citing hundreds of such frauds happening in the municipal council. You may remember there was a AC dustbin case. AC dustbin in the sense one of the councillor had asked for a room to store dustbins. So a quotation was drawn, a contractor was appointed to construct a room to store dustbins. But when we went on the site, we found that this particular room had vitrified tiles, had false ceiling, had a kitchen platform, had AC, and had a meter connection also, electric connection. So at the cost of the Margam Municipal Council's funds, this type of activities were going.
Now,
sorry to say that.
One sec. Sorry, what I'm saying is now this term of this council started 4 years back.
2015 November.
2015 November. Who was the first mayor?
Babita Angle, Dr. Babita Prabhudasa Angle.
Yeah, and up till when she was the mayor? Now there's a new mayor.
Yeah, now this last 6 months, another councillor has been elected, Pooja Naik by name.
Pooja Naik.
So she presently.
Okay. Yeah. So you were telling us about AC dustbin story. Okay, please continue.
So when we raised this and we showed with photographs all that stuff, that time suddenly overnight the AC disappeared from there. The meter connection was removed. The vitrified tiles were broken off, and that room was remained as it is. But who had done that fraud has till today not been investigated. Secondly, there was another issue wherein an agency was appointed for door-to-door waste collection, and as per his contract, he was supposed to provide 45 workers for door-to-door waste collection, but he was providing hardly 28 to 30, but billing the council for 45. Almost around 2 lakhs per month extra. So this we brought to the notice of the council, and we stopped this seepage of funds, and that subsequently that contractor was terminated, but no action was taken against him for this attempt to defraud the council of the taxpayers' money. But surprisingly, today's day again he has been appointed, the same contractor, with a much bigger contract. Where probably he's hiring around, supplying around 100 workers, and that same thing continues. So fortunately, what I was saying is that Lok Ayukta taking cognizance of this matter, at least people will now come to know what exactly is going on in the Margam Municipal Council by virtue of this fraud.
Okay, now fraud, fine, but now when tenders are passed, it has to go through whom? It has to go through the officers, the chief officer, the municipality. See, we don't know these procedures, but you as a former mayor for some time, could you inform us how this procedure goes and who ultimately is responsible for all these tenders and all this?
First and foremost, the council decided that each ward, around 8 lakhs should be spent on the works that are required in their ward. Based on this, the concerned ward councillor takes the junior engineer in charge of his ward to the site and shows him the work that he wants to be executed. So he identifies the work, and based on that, the estimates are drawn for that particular work. Thereafter, the council takes a resolution for expenditure to sanction that expenditure. In this particular case, the estimates were drawn and they had sent for government grant before the director of municipal administration. However, they did not get grants from the director from the government. So about in February 2020, they decided, since our term is getting over, we'll forget about those grants and we'll spend from our municipal fund. And they withdrew all those files and tendered all those works, including some important works of those baling sheds, all that. So now here what the thing is that when you are tendering, you very well know as a ward councillor. Now, if I am a councillor of a particular ward, I will 100% know that whether that work is executed, whether it is executed subsequently. Because here what they are trying to say is that the estimates were done before, and now after that subsequently they were done by some other agency, because different agencies are working. It may be PWD, WRD, or other agencies. But in this particular case, there were two resolutions. One in February, just before the issue of this tender notice. So even at that point of time, you are very well aware that that work is already existing there. In spite of that, you all chose to tender it. So isn't this a big fraud? Now we have got visuals, we have got status, video recordings on the status of every work, practically every work. And that some of them we have also passed on to the Director of Municipal Administration. And we were expecting that immediately some action should be taken. But instead of that, they are delaying this matter. It's an open and shut case of corruption, basically, a fraud.
And nepotism, everybody is together, government.
Yeah, together. It's a well-knit this thing, scheme. Right?
Yeah. Okay. So, thanks a lot, Savio. And we will be in touch. This is Savio Coutinho.
We hope.
Thanks for coming on Goa 360.
The Kurchore Market Association has taken a decision to close down the market. Yes, due to the rise and threat of the COVID-19 and the spread of the coronavirus, the Market Association has decided to close down the market for next 7 days. Watch this story in detail.
मार्केटांक एक कोविड पॉझिटिव्ह तेगेलो रिपोर्ट येयचे फुडें तो आमगेलो सगळो आख्या मार्केटांक भोंवलो आनी ताका लागून लोकांक सगळ्यांक भिरांत पडल्या आनी एमिकेबली सगळे बिजनेसमॅन एकठांय जायन सगळ्यांनी एक डिसिजन घेवन एसोसिएशना मार्फत एक डिसिजन घेवन आमी सॅटर्डे सावन 7 दीस बंद करपाक तयार केला आनी सॅटर्डे सावन कित्याक आयज फाल्यां कित्याक केलें ना आमी लोकांक कितें तेंगेलें प्रोविजन आहा तें प्रोविजन करपाक तेमकां कितें घेवपाक कितें ऑल ऑफ ए सडन बंद उडयलें जाल्यार प्रॉब्लमूय जातलें लोकांक ताका लागून आमी सॅटर्डे केला सो लोकांगेलें प्रोविजन करून लोकूय सुसेगाद रावन मागीर बाजारांत गर्दी जावपाक नाका म्हणून मागीर पडटा आनी एसेन्शियल आमी थोडी आहा ते ओपन दवरतले हे सगळे बाजारां लोकां खातीर आनी लोकांक प्रॉब्लम जावपाक जायना हे कोवीड आतां सगळ्याक वाडटा तें वाडपाक जायना म्हूण आमी हे डिसिजन घेतलां.
टायमींग मी कितें दवरलें ताका तुमी सकाळ फुडें एसेन्शियल हाका लोकांक फीश मार्केट आयले वेगळे दुधाची आयले तशें वेगवेगळें कितें हें दवरलां
आयजून हें केलें ना पूण वी वील डिसायड ऑल टुगेदर आनी फिक्स अ पर्टिक्युलर टायमींग सो एज टू पीपल शूड नॉट फेस अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर द नेसेसिटी.
Cases have been rising across the state and the country recently. Now, after a new case was found positive in Kurtorim, the local MLA, that is Alex Reginaldo Lorenzo, came out and strongly made his statement. He also made comments with regards to new cases found in Kurtorim and across Goa, and also he got a chance and opportunity where he didn't leave it to speak about Benaulim MLA Churchill Alimau. Watch to what he has to say.
काँग्रेस पांय पडले म्हाका लोक गाळे मारताय तेजे उलयल्यार तेगे लेवल पडे आहा ती सारकी पास जालो आहा म्हणून सांगताय म्हाका तेगे लेवलाचे वचनाक म्हणून सांगताय तर सांग तुका की तेणें कॅन्डिडेट डिक्लेअर कसो तेगेलो 20%, 30%, 40% वेट घेतो जाल्यार तेंय सांगोचें तेणें आनी तेका आनी पांय पडटा आय जस्ट डोंट टू टॉक अबाउट दॅट पॉलिटिशियन हू इज लॉस्ट सेल्फ लायफ तेज्यानी आमी आनी बरें काम करया जायत इश्यू आहाय लोकां गेले हाजे हांव कलेक्टर येयला कोणा एक काम करपाक पॉलिटिक्स पडे आहा ते पॉलिटिक्स ह्या टायमाचेर कोण नाका सांग तेका इलेक्शनाक तेगे कॅन्डिडेट डिक्लेअर कोन्नी आतां कर तेका कपासिटी कोन्नी तेका चल पुरो आनी नाका
कंटेनमेंट झोनात कितें जालां आनी तुमकां आनी कितली न्यू केसीस मेळ्ळ्यात
आतां कंटेनमेंट झोनाचो ऑलरेडी हांवें कलेक्टर रिक्वेस्ट केला काडपाक बट दे हॅव टू कंप्लीट सम फॉर्मेलिटीज बट मीनवायल रिलॅक्सेशन इल्लें जालां लोकांक आनी लोकांक इश्यूज पडटाय ते आमी सॉल्व करपाक आमगे प्रयत्न आहा वी आर वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स इट आतां केसीस एक्स्ट्रा मेळ्ळाय ती केसीस आयडेंटिफाय केल्याय 2 नाल्ल्या मेळ्ळे एक कारगिला मेळ्ळ्या, एक हावसिंग बोर्डा मेळ्ळ्या. रायच आमी काल हें गेली, रायच आमी ऑलरेडी सॅनिटायज केली, आतां कारगिलांत बी केली. हावसिंग बोर्डा आज पासय मारता पावलो ना तिका. आनी जे भाशेन मोको जाता मुगे एफर्ट घालून मायंड आनी एक मेळ्ळ्या. बट डायलिसीस पेशंट तो, ही वॉज इन अपोलो विक्टर. सो नाव लेटस्ट पडे आहा तें स्टेटस तेचे आहा. सो म्हाका दिसता वी हॅव टू टेक स्टेप्स. मुगे मागणें लोकांक हो गव्हर्मेंट तुमकां साल्व करूं शकना. हितू परिस्थिती जालो आहा पॉझिटिव्ह पेशंट व्हरपाक येनाय ते 24 hours 30 hours काडूंक लागले. इतली परिस्थिती पॉझिटिव्ह पेशंट आहाय तेगे घरा पासून टेस्ट करपाक तेंचे कडेन शकनाय. हो गव्हर्मेंट जालो आहा तो शकना. ज्या मनशांक जस्टीस दिवपा जायना ते कडेन हेल्थाचेर. हेल्थ इज अ नेसेसिटी, इट इज अ रायट ऑफ अ पर्सन. सो जस्ट हांव आय डोंट नो वॉट
आतां करता जाल्यार
कितें उलोवपा आनी दवरलो ना तेणें.
लोकांनी आपल्याली सेफ्टी घेवची पडली. आतां
लोकांनी आपल्याची सेफ्टी घे म्हणजे मागणें लोकांक. हात सॅनिटायज करे, बरें सॅनिटायज करे, हात एश करून सॅनिटायज करून, सारकें एश करून सॅनिटायज करे. खंय कित्याक हात लायले जाल्यार मास्क कंपल्सरी. बरें मास्क घालपा जाय, डबल मास्क घायले जाता. मास्क हात लावप ना, दोळे हात लावप ना. घरा गेलो काय ना, जात तितू मनशान जाणटेल्यांनी आनी भुरग्यांक घरा दवरे. कोणागेले आयकना काय. म्हणजे मागणें तुमकां घरान दवरे ताका. कोण भायर वयता तो सारको प्रिकॉशन्स घेवन रोप बीन हांगा धुवन बरे भाशेन धुवन भितर सोन. गरम च्या, गरम उदक कंपल्सरी, कंपल्सरी सारकें डू सम थिंग्स टू प्रोटेक्ट करपाक. हे गव्हर्मेंटाक जायना तुमकां प्रोटेक्ट करपाक. प्लीज कोण कितें सांगू माहिती कोण भिवपा गरज ना म्हणून नाल्यार भिवपा गरज आहा म्हणून. प्लीज टेक प्रिकॉशन्स. इतलें म्हगे मागणें लोकांक. आनी हें केलें जाल्यार मातसो तुमकां सेफूतल्यान गव्हर्मेंटाचें पात नाका. घरा कडेन कोडो तुमकां पयलीं मेडिसीन जें आदल्यान शिकयलां तें करें. तेजें मातसो तुमकां जस्टीस मेळटली, नाल्यार हें गव्हर्मेंटाक जायना.
For the first time in history, Bardez Bazaar Association has a new chairman, and that too a woman. Yes, the women are no behind than any man. The first time a lady has become a chairman, and that is none other than Advocate Pratima Naik Asgankar, who has been elected as the new president of the Bardez Bazaar. She won by 8 to 6 votes. Watch this story in detail.
Body meetings and all the like I'm also a good consumer over here. So with that I developed interest of being in this board and place my views like in development of this Bardez Bazaar. We have many things to sort out for this next coming 5 years, 10 years. One is there are branches which are not functioning well. So we are looking forward to bring more consumers in those branches, bring up the sale of those branches. Second, my motto is to train the staff over here as far as dealing with the consumers and the accounts department to hasten our work. Thirdly, we have another motto of a paperwork which has been prolonging, so we want to hasten that work also. So with the views and support of all the directors who are present here and with Pai's support also, we'll see to it that all this work gets done. Our mall work is also pending since long, especially the licensing work which has been pending since long. So that also we'll try to start. It has already been started since long, but for some reasons it had been pending for some years in between. So we'll see that is also it gets a motion. It comes in motion, and we need support for this from the government, our councillors, BDO, RCS also. So we look forward to them to support us in this development and take Bardez Bazaar to a higher than what it was earlier. I thank all my supporters, my well-wishers, government, RCS, and my staff, and all other shareholders of consumer society, of this society, who have shown interest and believed in my quality of work and believed in me especially, and has supported me for being nominated as a chairman of Bardes Bazaar. I thank you all once again.
ही संचालक मंडळाची निवडणूक बिनविरोध जावपा खातीर ज्या ज्या व्यक्तींनी सॅक्रिफायस केले म्हणजे विड्रॉ केले त्यांचो हांगासर म्हाका उगडत येता आनी तांकां मनपूर्वक धन्यवाद दिता. नाल्यार कितें जातलें आसलें, जर निवडणूक जाल्ली जाल्यार आमचे वोटर्स जे आसा तांकां पावसान भिजून हातीन सत्र्यो घेवन रेनकोट घेवन वोटिंगाक येवचें पडटा आसलें आनी सरकारान खंयच्या जाग्यार मतदान जातलें तें जाहीर करूंक नासलें, तारीखय जाहीर करूंक नासली आनी हें मतदान केन्ना जाय तें सांगूनच नासलें आनी सोशल डिस्टन्स दवरून आमच्या सगळ्या मतदारांक उबें रावचें पडटा आसलें. हेची म्हाका खूब काळजी दिसताली आनी भाईक हांवें विनंती केली शक्यतो ही निवडणूक बिनविरोध जावची अशे प्रयत्न करूया म्हणून. आनी म्हाका सांगपाक अभिमान दिसता की म्हणजे भाई खलप आनी त्याच बरोबर आमचे आर्यन देसाय हे डायरेक्टर दोगांयनी बसून लास्ट मोमेंट पर्यंत विड्रॉ करपाचे जे विड्रॉ करूंक सोदतात तांकां एनकरेज केले आनी बाबा पळयार हें अशें आसा सांगून आनी त्या खातीर ही संचालक मंडळाची निवडणूक बिनविरोध जाली. विशेष करून लास्ट मोमेंटाक एक्चुअली हांव येयल्लो विड्रॉ करपा खातीर, पण म्हाज्या पयलींच आमचो सखाराम गांवकर ह्या व्यक्तीन भाईच्या विनंती वरून विड्रॉ केली आनी ही संचालक मंडळाची निवडणूक बिनविरोध जाली. त्या सखाराम गांवकाराच्या खऱ्या हांव मनपूर्वक आभार मानता. आतां आमच्या ह्या सोसायटीन निवडणूक पयल्याच फावटी जाली. हेच्या पयलीं जी 25-30 वर्सां गेली तेन्ना निवडणूक जाली ना, कित्याक सगळे एकमतान एकमेकाचेर विश्वास दवरून काम करताले. हांव नको ह्या वेळार तो विश्वास खंय गेलो तो पानिपताचे लढायेक, परंतु 2-3 गट जाल्ले. भाईन वेवस्थीत शिस्ताई करून आमकां लागीं हाडले आनी सांगलें की शक्यतो बिनविरोध जाता जाल्यार पळया रे म्हणून. परंतु एक गट आसलो तो एडमंड सन रावलो. अशा वेळार बार्देस बाजारा कडेन लोकांचें लक्ष आसलें आनी बार्देस बाजार त्या वेळार आमच्या कर्मचाऱ्यांकय हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा की तेंच्यांनी रिस्क स्विकारून कोरोनाची रिस्क स्विकारून त्या वेळार काम केलें. सगळ्यांनीच करूंक ना, काही जण भिवन फाटी रावले, पण ज्यांच्यांनी काम केलें तेंचें हांव अभिनंदन करता. दिसता की निवडणूक बिनविरोध जावंक जाय, कित्याक सगळे एकमेकाक वळखताचे एकमेकाचेर विश्वास दवरून आसलेले मनीस आसले. जरी ही निवडणूक जाली तरी आमी एक मतान एक दिलान हें काम करतले, कित्याक बार्देस बाजार कोऑपरेटीव सोसायटी ही आमच्या भागधारकांची आमच्या ग्राहकांची आनी तिचो उत्कर्श तिचो विकास हो जावपूच जाय. भाई खलप हेंच्यांनी हेंच्या संकल्पनेतसून हो बाजार निर्माण जाल्लो. आमचे माजी चेअरमॅन धर्मा सदांच म्हणटाले की भाईने हो जो वृक्ष लायलो त्या वृक्षाचे आज मोठे रुपांतर जाल्ल्या व्हडल्या झाडान आनी त्याच्या छाये खाली आमी आसा. खूब जाण म्हणटात भाई कित्याक जाय हांगासर. भाईनी लोकांची ही इच्छा स्विकारून आपूण स्वता फाटी सरले, रावूंक ना, आपल्या चेड्याकय तेणी फाटी घेतलो आनी म्हणून लागले तुम्ही लोकांच्या मता प्रमाणे तुम्ही काम करात, ह्या सोसायटीची भरभराट करात आनी आमचें एक ध्येय आसा फुडें ते मॉल उबें करपाचें. ते उबें करपाच्या दृश्टीन सगळे जाण संघटीत जावन काम करात, तेन्नाच हो बार्देस बाजार परत प्रोग्रेसीव जातलो आनी लोकांकूय अन्नधान्य म्हणा किंवा बाकीचे वस्तू सगळ्यो आहात त्यो माफक दरांत मेळटल्यो.
निवडून आयल्या जवळ 2 वीक जाले. आज चेअरपर्सन आणि व्हायस चेअरपर्सनांचे इलेक्शन जाले. बाय पूनम ॲडव्होकेट बाय पूनम आजगांवकर निवडून आयला चेअरपर्सन म्हणून. आणि आमचे पयलींच्यान मित्र पत्रकार आणि आम्ही सेम प्रोफेशनाचे बेजिकली टीचर बाब नारायण राठवड व्हायस चेअरपर्सन म्हणून निवडून आयला. तांचे दोगांचे हांवें अभिनंदन केल्लें आसा, पण आज तुमच्या समोर तांचे आनी एकदा अभिनंदन करता.
लहान मोठ्या गरीब श्रीमंत सगळ्यांच्योच समस्या कितें आसतात याची एक जाणीव म्हाका जाली आणि त्या क्षेत्रांत जें म्हाका यश मेळ्ळें आणि सूत्रांतल्या कार्यकर्त्यांनी दिले. त्या सगळ्या यशाच्या जोराचेर हांव दिल्ली पर्यंत मिनिस्टर पदाचेर कायदा मंत्री म्हणून पावलो. त्यामुळे हांव सहकार क्षेत्रांतल्या म्हाज्या सगळ्या सहकाऱ्यांचे ताका लागून नेहमीच हांव उपकार मानता, कार्यकर्त्याचे मानता की तुमी आतापर्यंत सहकार हात दिलो, एकठांय रावपाक दिलो म्हणून आमी फुडें पावले. आज हांगा जे जमल्यात भितर आमचे प्रोफेसर कांदोळकर आसा, अत्यंत उच्च विद्याविभूषीत असो तो आमचो डायरेक्टर आसा. आणि नेहमीच ताणें बार्देस बाजार, म्हापसा अर्बन बँक ह्या क्षेत्राची जी काही कार्यपद्दती आसा किंवा कार्य चल्लां ताचो अभ्यास ते नेहमी करताले. आणि जनरल बॉडी मिटिंगेन अत्यंत महत्वाची अशी सूचना करताले, चर्चेन भाग घेताले. आज ते प्रत्यक्ष डायरेक्टर म्हणून बार्देस बाजाराचेर आसात आनी हांव अपेक्षा करता तेंच्या कडल्यान मोठी अपेक्षा म्हजी आसा ती अशी की आपल्या ह्या सगळ्या विद्वत्तेचो फायदो तो ह्या संस्थेक करून दितले आणि ह्या तरुण भुरग्यां बरोबर आमचे पूनम बरोबर रावतले, तेंच्या फाटीचेर रावन तांकां सपोर्ट करतले.